Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G30, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into the boot mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key, select power off, and once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. And there we go, we are now in the boot mode. Now in here you will need to use volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And you can do a couple different things from here. So start takes you back to Android, nothing special. Restart bootloader just stays where you are, or restarts and basically takes you where you are right now. Recovery mode, which will obviously take you to recovery mode. Power off, which turns off the device. What is this? Bootloader logs, so just some logs, barcodes for information, and again we're cycling back through to start. So whatever you will select, you will then confirm it with power key. So because I want to leave it, I selected start and confirm that, and now we're going back to Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.